Omukazi yatestinze ku Munnayuganda omutuufu. Akatambi kano kengenda okuzannyira osimanyi oba olulimi naye abantu baasoma oluzungu balutegeera. Banigeria eno kapo Banigeria naye basazeewo okubeera nga abayandiyagadde okubeera nga bafunayo omwana babeere nga baadoptinga omwana gwe bayagadde okubeera nga baadoptinga basazeewo bamu adoptinge mu ggwanga erya Uganda. Mu kubeera nga bayagala mu adoptinga mu ggwanga erya Uganda waliwo abataddeyo okusaba kwabwe n'alondamuko maama yagambye bannange nze ndi single mother nandiyagadde omwana wange okubeera nga omuadoptinga kakakijjukire ano basindikira ki passport sente bakozese passport ne visa bajje abanene bali Dubai nsobera bali mu UAE bagende basobole okubeera nga basayininga empapula ne memorandum okubeera nga bakwasa omwana mu butongole nga nabo bennyini we bali munnange maama nga asiima gye byaggweredde nga bamulazeeko Munnayuganda omutuufu yani akatambi kankako okuva gye katandikira paka gye kaggwera osobole okubeera nga obyewulirirako bye bino.
We are here to talk about this. This is really not funny. So, I told you guys that that we are going to be adopting a Ugandan girl, 6 years old. The mother agreed. We've even gone ahead to process their visas and everything. So, what she told me initially was that she made it look like she was a single mother. She lied to me about everything. The real story is this. She told me she was a single mother. She told me that the father abandoned her and the child. She's been the one taking care of the child. That she hustled to get money, spent her money to send the man abroad. To go and look for ends meet. And the man went there and married another woman, got together with another woman and forget her and her child, that she's been the one doing everything. So I asked her, I said, are you ready? Are you ready to, because I was very particular. She has a father. You have to talk to the father first. I even said it. Is there any way I can talk to the, because I was talking to her one-on-one. My husband hadn't gotten involved then. She told me, Mama Angela, there is no need to talk to the father. No need. I'm going to talk, all those kind of things. That she will talk to the father herself, blah, blah, blah. The father has no issue. After all, he doesn't even send money. That the father doesn't take care of the child. The father is not interested in the child. Everything she was saying to me were all lies. Apparently, this lady just wanted to come to Dubai. She just wanted a reason to be coming to my house all the time. She wanted to use her child as a yardstick to always be coming to my house. And I told her, I said, please, even when the passports were done, when she finished doing the passport, both their international passports, I waited, I hesitated. After 1 week, I said, I hope you know you're going to sign a memorandum. You're going to sign for us that you're relinquishing every responsibility of this child to us until she's 18. She said, Mama Angela, if you like, I have the chart, I have all the proof, I have the chart, everything I have. She said, even voice notes. She said, Mama, she sent a voice note, she was crying, saying, help me, that she has shown she's telling the girl every day that this is Aria is your sister, you're going to have Aria as your younger sister, blah, 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 blah. That if I want to take, if she doesn't care if the child doesn't come back at 18, if I want to take the child forever, that she's just ready. She knows I'm a good woman. She knows I will take care of the child. All these things were all lies. Yeah? I came to, when I announced it on Facebook, I was so excited. I was really, really so excited. I went back to her. I said, there were other people. I got people from Philippines, Kenya, different countries, so many people. But even Nigeria, my own country. But I decided to pick from Uganda, pick from you. You understand? Everything was going well. They were supposed to come on Thursday. Everything was just going so well. Yeah. Until I spoke to a Ugandan friend I have. The lady is married to a Nigerian guy, an Igbo guy. I said to her, out of happiness, I'm going to be adopting somebody from your country. She's coming, told her the person's name, the full name. And she was like, okay, no problem. I hope, where is the father alive? I said, yes, of course, the father is alive. I said, I hope you have spoken to the father. The father has to sign, because Ugandan men can come later, after a while, to start claiming the child. Whether they abandoned the child initially or not, they will come back to claim the child. As long as they did not sign, they can come and claim the child because it's still theirs. And then I showed my husband. My husband was like, oh, wow, that it skipped his mind, actually. It was because of the way the lady made it sound. The lady made it sound like the man knew the girl life. Lo and behold, my husband had to now speak to her directly, because all this while it was me I was communicating with the girl. So my husband spoke to her directly. That after the visa was out, we thought we had done due process with the mother, since the father no they interested. My husband insisted. She hesitated at first when she was asked to bring the father's data page and phone number. She hesitated. She was like, she's the one in charge, that the father has no say. She said it to me that I am the one taking care of this child. I am the one taking care.
That was the first red flag.
Yeah, I am the one thing. His father has no say. His father does not have, she kept saying, my husband said, no. As no. We persisted and she dropped the phone number. Immediately my husband called the girl's father. The story changed. The man did not abandon his child. This man has been taking care of this child. This man has this child as his WhatsApp DP because they had to talk to each other on WhatsApp because the man sent my husband data page. This man thought they were coming to my house for holiday. This man actually thought that this Jamila lady was bringing her daughter over for holiday, not to stay with me until she's 18. The whole matter changed. So what the Jamila did not know is that my husband was going to make that's the way you do that memorandum.
I did a memorandum, a legal memorandum of understanding
for him to sign. So he sent it to him virtually, sent it via his email, the man's email. The man brought his email. So it was when the man read it, the man was like, oh no, this was not what Jamila told him. Do you understand? Because my husband said it's that once you sign this thing, you have no rights over this child anymore. The child officially belongs to us until she's 18. And the father was like, no, I cannot let my child go without, I need to have access to my child. This child needs to be going to Uganda every now and then. I need to be coming, even the mother. When the mother changed, I quickly called the mother. I said, I thought you already explained this to the father. Her words changed. She changed and said, it's not like that, Mama Angela. She started laughing at me. Calm down, let's talk. Calm down. Mama Angela, calm down. She started laughing at me, seriously. Because I put it on speaker, she was laughing at me. I'm like, yo, what is happening? She went on to say that, but do I expect her to let her child go and not be coming to my house every once in a while to visit the child? That was what she said.
Okay, here is where I come in.
You, oh God.
Here is where I come in. Now, there are certain things that people need to understand.
Yeah.
When you have a child, that child is a blessing.
Yes.
That child is the biggest blessing you will ever have. When you have a child, it's the type of blessing that will never come in another way. It's the biggest. Now, some of these children are born under very unfortunate circumstances.
Yeah.
Circumstances that the parents or the mother or both cannot control.
Yeah.
Now, these children don't deserve to suffer like that, which is why we decided to do. Now, we didn't decide to do it to just take some child from the parents and then
deprive them. Yeah.
No, to deprive a child of the parents is a bad thing.
Yeah.
On its own. Every child should have their parents.
Yeah.
Now, the ones that we are looking for are the ones who don't have that privilege.
Yeah.
The ones who don't have the parents, or they have the parents, but the parents are absolutely not capable of doing anything for that child.
Yeah.
Now, these people, no matter how hard life is, there's the little by little that you go by with.
Yeah.
You know, your child goes to school, you feed your child very well and all that. Why can't you keep your child? Take care of your child. That is what it is meant to be.
Yeah.
Don't use your child as bait to try to get things from people.
It's not fair.
Because that blessing can turn to a curse.
It's not fair.
And it's not good. You know, we are not looking to take a child that has the father is there, the mother is there, they are both putting two hands together to take care of it. That's not what we're looking for. Children who actually need help.
So many of them in the world.
You understand?
Yeah.
Because we know the type of blessings that it will bring for us. That is why we want to do it.
Yeah.
We did not now anticipate that people will want to take advantage of the whole situation to, you know. Now, here is what is going to happen. What I decided to do is, there are actually children that need this help. But there are official channels by which we can get them.
Yeah.
There are orphanage homes, true real orphanage homes. Orphans are the ones who need this help. So orphans are the ones who will now go for. I will do my research properly, get orphans, find the normal procedure with which to get orphans from anywhere that we want to go and get them from. Yeah. And then start gradually. Get a child that needs real help, transform the child's life.
That needs a family.
Child, yes. Yeah. Help the child, change the child's life, and help the child to grow. You know, people, I say it again, if you have your child and you can be in your child's life, there's nothing stopping you from being your child. Don't give away your child.
Don't use them as bait.
Don't give away your child when you know that you can take care of your child. It's like giving away your biggest blessing.
Because of
your gain. For what type of gain is that?
Just to maybe probably to be extorting money from us, or
understand?
to be
So
coming to. She wants to actually she wants to come to Dubai to flex.
You know,
she just wanted to bring she wants to use the child for us to bring her to Dubai. Then after she comes to Dubai, issues will now come up, and then unfortunately the child cannot stay with us. She'll go, or maybe she'll leave the child with us for a while, and then every month she'll call. I want to come. Do visa for me and passport. I want ticket. I want to come.
It's not a comfortable one.
Come on.
We don't want to take anybody's child from the parents. It's not a comfortable circumstance.
I'm sad.
It is something that we want to do to help the child.
But honestly, the thing made me sad.
No, why should
because the lady
sad?
just kept lying, giving me hope, making me believe.
Well,
I was
people
saying
are
it
like
back.
that. There are certain people like that. That's why we need to be
She
careful.
just wanted to take, like, why is it that these women, any opportunity, you will set your child in front just to take advantage? The lies.